So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you run this, we're going to type in power cfg space -h space off and click on enter. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in edit power plan. Click on it. Now once you run this, you want to click on change advanced power settings. And then you want to expand wireless adapter settings. And then you want to expand power saving mode. And now you want to select maximum power saving. And then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do all the updates that your computer may have. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and then type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. And then you want to right click on your graphics card and click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best drivers for your device have been installed. Now I'm going to leave 3 links down below for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to install the software that comes with your graphics card. So for me I have an NVIDIA graphics card and I got GeForce Experience. Now once you're in your software, you want to click on the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. Now once you complete all these steps, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.